Short moments many times. Learn how to fall back in love with your life and the wild, weird, and even wonderful world around us all. You will learn super simple, mindfulness-based, loving kindness practices that are powerful, portable, and super easy to incorporate into your everyday interactions and life overall. The magic of metta is a superpower for transforming conflict into compassion and will make you a happier, healthier, and wealthier in all the things that truly matter most. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and we really hope you'll join us. Our next cohort begins on March 17th, 2021. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Join us.